Hey, I'm doing a tutorial today. I finally felt like for once actually putting a full face of makeup on, so I'm gonna do like my summer kind of everyday glam. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Let's start. It's been a while. I'm gonna start by clogging my pores. You will have to excuse my fingernails because they are in between stages of being done. And they're a little gross, not gonna lie. Pores sufficiently clogged. Now I'm gonna even my face out with my NYX BB cream. It's been so long since I actually put makeup on, like really, that I almost feel like I don't know what I'm doing anymore. What am I doing? BB creams are great. Such little effort is needed. Now I'm just gonna use some Shape Tape, do a bit of my eyes and go over where I'm kind of like red, just to tone that down a little bit. I got this teeny tiny little booty blender, but it's not an actual booty blender, it's just a sponge. Yeah, but I like it because it's got this tiny, can you see that tiny little tip on it? Go right inside your nose. I think this is from Physicians Formula, the sponge. It came with a really awful concealer. Now, I'm gonna use the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores. And I'm just gonna go in with a little bit over my eyelids. Set that shit. And whatever is left is gonna go under my eyes because I've been getting really cakey lately and it's summer. For my face, I'm gonna use the Bang Beauty blush in Smoked Peach. Not really, I'm still pretty pasty. I'm not gonna use any bronzer, I don't think. I just want to look natural. I know it's been a while, but I am still a fan of using blush kind of as my contour. Go over that a bit with my powder brush. Yeah. I'm gonna use the Mary Luminizer, just the tiny little Ipsy one. I'm just using a tiny little, well, it's a blending brush, but it works just fine as a highlight brush. Forehead, a bit on the bridge of the nose, and right here. Natural. I'm gonna do a little spritz with the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. Chill out all those powders. Yes, I still use fans. Oh, that's much better. That is settling quite nice. And now I'm gonna be using my ABH Dip Brow in Auburn. We will make this work. It's been a while. Literally just been using my Essence Make Me Brow in blonde because I haven't want to put any effort into my eyebrows. I may have grabbed a little bit too much, but we will fix. The key to this stuff is just blending. And I find it works out the best if you just use the tip of your spoolie. Let's get some eyeshadow on. Here, I'm using the Tarte Sizzle palette. There's fluff on my nail. So this is literally all I've been doing for my eyeshadow for the last little while. Take Paddleboard is gonna go in my crease. And then I feel kind of glammed up, but it's still pretty freaking neutral. And pretty much evenly dispersed. And then, with my finger, I'm gonna go into Kite Surf, which is this shiny one right here. And I'm going to place this on my eyeball. Right on the lid. Not really making this look perfect. just placing it where I want it and building it up. Then I'm going to take a naked floofy brush and floof with the brush, because that's what we do. Floofing with brushes. Hey, looks like I put a shit ton of effort in. Now I'm going to do a little line of Stila Stay All Day liner, because I'm trying to be fancy. What is this? Fluff everywhere. I'm out of practice, don't judge me. Has anyone else done that where it's been like literally so long since you've done eyeliner that you feel like you have to relearn it entirely? Forgive me, it's my first time. Oh, could be worse, I guess. So I'm gonna use the Lash Paradise on my top lashes. Whew, I feel fancy. And to finish off with the lips, I'm gonna use the Sormé Nude Lip Liner, which apparently I need to sharpen. And to top it off with the L'Oreal 8 Hour Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Barely Nude. I did it! Okay, I have a full face of makeup on, even though my eyes look damn fucky. I'm broken. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up so I know you did, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new. If you are not new, then please don't unsubscribe. I don't know why I find that so funny. Please don't though. I do have quite a few videos filmed and edited and will go up to make up for all the time I have not been posting. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Here's Owen Wilson.
Wow.